Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been so long. I am eating a pickle with chili lime seasoning. Chilito con limon. That's what I'm eating. I'm eating it out of a cup right now because I just put all my dishes in the wash and I ran out because I only have like 2 of everything. Wow. It's been a really long time. Is it kind of echoey in here? I'm sitting in a corner without a lot of furniture. It's okay. So, if there's like a bunch of weird like marks on my top, it's because I've been like spilling stuff. Like today, I have a lot of things I want to do. I want to update you guys too about my life. It's been forever. I've been really, really busy and had a lot going on. So, and I also want to be honest with you guys about a couple different things, and just like come to y'all as a woman, okay? Woman to woman. So yeah, let's get started. Today I want to get African fufu. I've been craving fufu so much. So definitely need to get some of that, and I might get a couple other side stuff like maybe collard greens or something like that. I'm gonna go to a restaurant maybe because I couldn't find a proper like African grocery store. We might go Ethiopian for the restaurant. We'll see. I have a couple different options. And then I want to get Korean food because I want to get tteokbokki. I want to get a couple different seasonings, and I want to get jjajangmyeon. I feel like I'm just throwing a lot at you right now, but I want to do African or Ethiopian, and then Korean, and then I want to go to I think Target or Marshall's. I want to get candles and stuff like that, so I can bring you guys along. It's pretty late in the day. It's already 4:30. Excuse me. I've been out and about since like the morning, but it was all pretty boring stuff. Like I just had to go pick up like a couple of things. I'm having this pickle right now because I was really craving something acidic, and I feel like it's because I'm dehydrated. But this is so good, and there's actually no salt in this. It's just literally chili and lime. There's sodium in it, but there's no like added salt, so it's just the pickle juice. Let's go. Let's get out of here because everything's gonna probably close. Everything I want to do is gonna probably close. It's 4:30. I'm looking at the clock right now, and yeah, this is where I'm sitting right now. I'm listening to Polo G, Martin, and Gina. I want to get an entertainment system so bad, but I just feel like I feel like I don't exactly know if I'm staying here. We're gonna talk about that a little bit more when I get my food. But yeah, okay, I'll see you in the car. Okay, so it's super hot in this car right now, and I had to turn my AC off so it's not like. But we are gonna go to the Korean store first, because I need to get like that done first. I think if I do Korean, then Marshall's for like my candles, and then end it with the fufu pickup and food and stuff like that, that'll be the best way to handle this. I'm literally sweating sitting in here. I'm glad you guys can't see it. Maybe you can, who knows. But I'm sweating sitting in here. So we're gonna go do that. I'm so excited to be back on here. I had a lot going on, so I wasn't able to like talk to you guys and like post, and my brain was just filled, always thinking. So let's just do what we used to do. Let's just go out and have a good time, okay? And then we'll talk while I'm eating. The lighting out here is way better too. I'm sorry, my apartment is dark. I like it like that, but it's not good for stuff like this. You know what I mean? All right. So I'm gonna see y'all at the Korean store. Okay, everyone, I'm home now. All the lighting in my apartment is very, very bad. Should I put you right here? Is that bad lighting? Yeah. Are we good? Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna show it to you actually. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is everything I got. I got a bunch of stuff. Basically everything I wanted, I grabbed because I haven't had all this yummy, yummy stuff in a long time. So I know I said that I was going to eat Ethiopian or African tonight, but I messed up because I got really hungry and I ended up getting 2 of these and I ate one of them already. So this one might be for tomorrow, the day after that. And it's just, I think it's called bibimbap. I'm terrible. I can shop there and I don't know what it's called. I'm terrible. But so this is really, really good. And it's just like ready-made. They make it on spot in front of you. And then you can like add stuff to it if you want, or you can take extras with you if you want. So I bought this for $4. And it's just pickled radish and green onions and a bunch of different stuff. And they season it for you. So I did get a bunch of other stuff. I think the most exciting things I got were like the fish cakes, the tteokbokki. So this is tteokbokki. I get the long ones. You can also get like whatever they make there. But the store I went to, Comart, they only have like the sliced versions, and I don't like the sliced ones. I like these long tubular ones just because they have more bite to them and they don't go as like overcooked as easily. So I also got pork belly because Korean pork belly beats every other type of pork belly. And then for fresh ingredients, I just got bean sprouts. These were like $2. And then peeled garlic, really, really cheap there. This was only, I think, $3. It was like $2 and something cents. So it's super cheap because like that's just how it is. I also got a bunch of other stuff like black bean paste. I remember I talked to you guys about that. And then got some Korean barbecue, just basic kind of stuff. So what I do is I will use like a tablespoon or 2 of that stuff and then mix it with like, you know, gochujang and stuff like that. Like I'll add to it like fish sauce and things like that. So I did get pickled radish as well. Big fan. Big fan. So I will literally cut this up, put it into Tupperware, and finish it within like 2 days. And I just eat it on its own. I love pickled food, so that is a big plus. And that's actually really cheap too. I think it was $2.99. So then I also got pho noodles and dried seaweed. So I got this new type of seaweed because I was asking the lady at the store, I was like, you know, what do you use? What do you like? And she recommended this, and she said if you can put it in a broth right before you're about to eat it, drop like 5 or 6 pieces of it, it'll expand and it makes the broth taste really good. Then I got shiitake mushrooms for broth. Then I got regular like nori. Sorry, I'm like still burping. Excuse me. I also got frozen fish cake. This is just for fun for like the tteokbokki. Put something else in there with the Korean pork belly, the tteokbokki, and the fish cake. So that's basically everything I got from that store. So tonight I'm not going to be going to eat anything else. I'm gonna eat from this probably because I'm just excited and it's everything I wanted. And I also had this bibimbap already. I think this one is called bibimbap. There's no labels, obviously, because they package it in front of you. They make it right in front of you based on ingredients that you want. It's really nice, like Chipotle kind of. I also did go to Marshall's. I didn't film it because it was busy, but I got vanilla and patchouli. Probably said that wrong. Patchouli, whatever, candle. And then I got from, I don't know where that's from. What brand is this? Oh, from there. It was $8. And then this one is the salted pumpkin from DW House. This was also $8. So after tax, that was $17.30 something. So altogether tonight was good purchase. I have something in my eye. Tonight was good. It's pretty late now because I was running around. It's 8 o'clock. Driving in Dallas traffic is like not fun. This stuff was like 5 or 6 miles from each other, and I literally took Like, for example, I was going from the Korean store to Marshall's and it was 8 miles, and it literally took me 30 minutes to do it and it literally was like traffic the whole time, you know? That's how it is in Dallas though. Like, driving here is like, things are really far apart, and there's bad traffic no matter what time of day it is. It's terrible traffic. These usually 8 miles at like 70 speed, it should take you maximum 10 minutes to get there, even with like regular city traffic. It takes you 30 minutes though. Anyways, I'm gonna put all this away. I think I'm done eating for now because it is 8 o'clock and I had a whole one of these. So I just need to like digest. If I do eat again, I will tell you guys about it, or I'll just start filming it. But I did want to talk a little bit about the entertainment world and just like what I've been up to a little bit. And I don't want to give too many details just because I never do. Like, even before this, like all the other stuff I've been a part of, like I've done modeling and I've done like the Miss Michigan thing. You guys probably don't even know what I'm talking about, but I never talk about it because I'm a very private person, and for me, YouTube is an artistic expression and I don't want to mix work and play. But I think this is really important to know because I feel like a lot of YouTubers who are a part of the entertainment world hide this side of like the industry from people watching, and I think that's dangerous, and they sell it like this amazing magical thing. So I do want to talk a little bit. I'm going to be vague though, so you can watch if you want to, or thank you for stopping by. I will see you in my next video. Okay, so we're going to talk about it. Let me set this up again though, because I'm literally like standing here. I need to pull this away, and then I'm going to set this all up again. Okay, we have relocated. I changed my outfit because I started to like heat up after I ate. Does that happen to anybody else? I don't know if that's weird, but I'll start like my body temperature will increase after I eat. I don't know if that's like a common thing, but anyways, so I wanted to talk about modeling, acting, the entertainment world in general, and how a lot of people glamorize it online, but they don't really talk about how your boundaries can be pushed and your values can be compromised. So all I'm here to say is I'm not really the type to name drop. I'm not the type to drag like, you know, a company or an agency. When I did the Miss Michigan USA pageant, and in April of this year, I decided that I wasn't going to continue with it. I didn't even talk about it online. The agency knows that I didn't want to do it, and I had my personal beliefs, and that was that. But I'm here to say that in any type of industry that you take part in, it's important, even if it's not entertainment, but this is about entertainment world because that's like something I know extensively about, and I have taken part in it for a while now. Like, I've done the whole modeling, acting, pageantry, club life. I've done it all. I think there's a really big power in knowledge, and there's a lot of power in holding onto your beliefs and your values and not letting anyone kind of compromise them. And I'm not saying that means that you won't work with a photographer, agency, or director or something like that that believes that Trump was a good president while you hated him. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is it's important to be aware of where you're willing to put your time and energy and how far you're willing to go in the sake of your career, for the sake of your career. And a lot of people in this industry, in entertainment, will tell you that, I have people tell me all the time, oh, you know, this is the name of the game. If you don't do this, then you don't belong. And to that, every single time it's come to something like that, all I do is I just move on. I find a new agency, I find a new director, I find a better gig. And for me, even if it is a loss of place in that moment, I know that I'm sticking to what I believe in and I keep going. And a lot of people in the industry glamorize it and say that, you know, here's to power. Like, it gives you a platform and it gives you a voice. But in reality, this industry is very deep, and it has a way of being controlled by a lot of old values and beliefs and old ways of doing things. And there a lot of new ways of thinking don't really work. Even though we pretend that it's welcomed, it really isn't. So all I can say to that is have a list of beliefs, have a list of boundaries, and when you start in this industry, understand that everybody's gonna push those boundaries. Everybody. Trust nobody but yourself. Nobody. Not even your friends back home. Because once you enter this stuff, they will start viewing you differently, even if it is your best friend. I've had my childhood best friends tell me that they don't view me the same way anymore. And they will say it in the way with like, oh, you're living the dream, you're living this and that, whatever. I'm not living the dream. I'm very much living, paying for everything on my own. I'm, working hard every day. I work 60, 70 hours a week. It's not the dream. But all I'm saying is trust nobody, stick to your beliefs and boundaries, and expect every single person to question you. They will make you feel dumb. They will make you feel so out of place. But stick to what you know and stick to what you feel comfortable with. That's all I'm gonna say. And just know that everybody glamorizes the entertainment world so they can feel better about what they're doing to get ahead. And as someone who's done the modeling, acting, club life, everything, I can say that there's not much of a difference across the board. Pretty much the same game in every single thing. To get ahead, people undercut and people do what they have to. Okay. So that's all I want to say today. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following me along. If I do the African or Ethiopian mukbang, I don't know which one, I will post it, of course. I hope to post more now. My mind is getting clearer and more steady. These past couple months have been quite the challenge trying to navigate a new industry kind of sector. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I care about you more than you know, and leave a comment down below if you want me to eat any of the Korean food, I guess, in a mukbang. I feel like there's a lot of Korean mukbangs though, but yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go and probably clean a little bit dirty in here. My hair is like a mess, whack-a-mole mess. All right, bye guys, love you.